Share foods and recipes in bulk with other Nutritics users. Open up a recipe as an example and scroll to the Sharing tab. Choose the plus Share button under the Sharing tab. This will open a panel to allow you to share by item or share by collaborator. As we want to share in bulk, we'll choose Share by Collaborator. Select the collaborator by clicking the drop-down and selecting Add User. If you've shared with an account before, they will already show at this stage without needing to add them. Input the user's email address or username to start sharing. If your licenses are part of an organization or group, you will automatically see all users of the organization when you click Add User. If you are an admin for the organization, you can choose to share with all account holders within the organization by clicking on the name of the organization instead of adding individual users. You will have the option to share with read-only or read and write privileges or revoke access after adding a collaborator. Select the item you would like to share across with a click, click again to share with editing access, and a third time to revoke access. Share entire groups of recipes by selecting the tick box beside the group name. To remove a collaborator, right-click on the username and select Delete. You can also create groups of users to share items across to. Click plus New Group under Collaborators and begin adding users from your organization. Once the group is created, you can share items to the group members individually or in bulk. When new members are added to a group, you can give them group access level. This means that everything the group was previously granted access to will also be shared to new members. Please note that you can only create groups with other users in your organization. If you have purchased a license set with master sharing functionality, you also have the option of sharing particular data with your site accounts. You can choose to share items like custom fields, food costs, or label templates to your site licenses automatically. For example, if you wanted to share recipes with your site licenses but not costs attached, you can disable this setting. For Label Magic Viewer accounts, you must share labels across to them individually in the sharing panel. Find the viewer account name and start sharing items across as we did before. We do not share items to viewer accounts by default, so this must be selected in the sharing panel by the master account. If you have any questions on sharing, reach out to our engagement team at support@nutritics.com.